Hi, today I'm going to show you how to create a book using the Littlescribe mobile app. First of all, go into the app and then you need to decide the orientation of your book. For this book I'm going to choose portrait. Press on next. Now I need to add my photos. My photos are already on my phone, I've taken them in advance, so I can click on to add and add from gallery. If I was going to take the photos now, I'd click on take a new photo. But this time, press on add from gallery, it'll open my photos. Just go down to the folder where my images are saved. I can upload up to 12 images at a time. Click on those, done. And very quickly, they're there, they're ready for me to build my book. Now you'll see the hints here. This one, the tip is to move the pages. Press the page, now drag it to the new location. So I can do that, click on it, and I can reorder my pages so they're exactly how I want them to be. Once I have them in the right order, click on preview. There's my book in the right order, ready to edit. In the next video, I'll show you how to edit the pages in your book. Thank you.